Are you looking for information on Ontario stunt driving laws and how court delays might affect your case? Well, you're watching the right video. This video aims to clear up the common misconceptions people have about delaying their stunt driving case in Ontario courts. So let's dive in. The 18-month rule: can you delaying your stunt driving court case get it dismissed? You might have heard from a friend or an acquaintance that if you delay your court case, it might just get dismissed. It sounds tempting, right? But here's the truth. There's a rule under Section 11B of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms that says that anyone charged with an offence has the right to be tried within a reasonable time. In Ontario, this reasonable time has been often defined as around 18 months from the day that you get charged. But it's not as easy as it sounds. Why you can't simply delay your stunt driving case for that 18-month period. Now, you might be thinking, great, I'll just delay my court dates and get my case dismissed after 18 months. Not so fast. The 18-month rule only applies if the delays are caused by the court system or the province. In simpler terms, if you or your legal representative are the ones dragging things out, those delays, well, they won't count towards that 18-month limit. So trying to game the system, it doesn't work. The charter protection, it only kicks in if the court system itself is actually responsible for the delay, like if they don't produce evidence on time or they can't schedule a trial date. The consequences of unnecessarily delaying your stunt driving case. If you think about delaying your own court dates, and try to tip the scales in your favor, think again. Courts and prosecutors, they don't like delays. It clogs up the system and creates extra work for them. If you're purposefully delaying your court appearances, the justice of the peace or the prosecutor, they're not going to be happy with you. And trust us, that's not a good place to be in when you're trying to negotiate your case or formulate your stunt driving strategy. Why you need a specialized stunt driving strategy. You might hear all kinds of advice from friends or family when it comes to keeping your license. You need expert advice. Choose a legal firm that specializes in stunt driving cases because they will know how to negotiate with specific prosecutors and navigate specific courtrooms to get the best outcome for your case. So don't rely on hearsay or myths when you're dealing with, stunt driving charges in Ontario. Know the facts, get proper legal guidance to protect your driving privileges.